Professor Kwesiga abire nagambira mushomo gwesurwa Irish Potato Value Chain okorerwa har KABALE University n'ekindiro cyo kutungura emihingire n'emirebere yo mundi omucyange cya Kigezi.
At farm level, you can get extension workers you need, the planting material that is right, you can get the technologies that will assure efficient farming practice, and then what you produce will be appropriate for the value addition process, and they get the quality of the products.
Ogu ayorekera kutangara okushanga ngo abanyayuganda bingi nibesiga bari kurugahero mu bintu by'amakorero ebakubira nibekorera omuyanga ryabo.
It makes no sense to me that we are importing toothpicks from China and Indonesia and Korea when we have forests of bamboo all over the place.
Mukoro ngugumwe Vice Chancellor wa KABALE University Professor Kwesiga agizirengo bakatunga miliyoni rwendo ku United Nations Development Program okutungura omutindo gw'emondi omucyange cya Kigezi ngo kandi bari hamura mugo bwa hati.
The potato is very important here, as I mentioned at the beginning. It is a crop, not just a crop for cash, but also a food crop for consumption. And therefore, when you help us to have this incubation center,
and of course including fertilizer, it's very important that it's looked into for us to ensure that we have enough that will make a commercial sense.
Innocent Fred orokwembera yo NDP mu yangiri ya Uganda ayorekere kigenerwa cyo kutungura ikingo cy'imondo mucyange cya Kigezi.
And we thought this was a very good idea because it was consistent with what UNDP does and the value we attach to universities as spaces that can help us, strengthen and build the startup, ecosystem, but even go beyond that and impact our private sector, our industrial transformation, and maybe through that process see more outcomes from universities in terms of businesses.
If we are getting potatoes from Kapchorwa, Tororo, and even if some which could be coming from Kenya, though it's branded Kapchorwa, it's coming from where? Other times maybe from Kenya. It comes, we are selling it, it's bought here, it's eaten here. Of course, you only know it from the test, that it tastes like ours, but that shows you how the challenge is.
Emondi kire kihingo cyo kukizayo kuhingwa omucyange cya Kigezi gasha kwa Job namanya.